Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about class 8 part 3 general knowledge. India, the record holders. Famous for some of the first achievements in any field have been mentioned below. Read the clue and find the name. First, the first person to walk on moon. The first person walk on moon, Neil Armstrong. The first person to walk on moon, Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong. So second, the person first climb Mount Everest. The person first climb Mount Everest first time. The name of Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary. Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary, the first person climb Mount Everest. Third, first man to run a mile in less than 5 minutes. Roger Bannister. Roger. Roger Bannister, Bannister. Roger Bannister, the first man to run a mile in less than 5 minutes. Question number 4. Who was the first Indian President of Indian National Congress? W.C. Banerjee, the first Indian President of the Indian National Congress. Question number 5. Who was the first Indian to become a Miss World? Rita Faria. Rita Faria was the first Indian to become a Miss World. Question number 6. Who was the first actress on the jury of Cannes International Film Festival? Aishwarya Rai. Question number 7. Who was the first Indian to become a licensed pilot? J.R.D. Tata. J.R.D. Tata was the first Indian to become a licensed pilot. Question number 8. Who is the youngest female writer to win the Man Booker Prize in 2006? Who is the youngest female writer to win the Man Booker Prize in 2006? The name of this youngest female who got Man Booker Prize in 2006, Kiran Desai. Question number 9. Which was the first Indian mountain railway system to be included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site? The Darjeeling Himalaya Railway. The Darjeeling Himalaya Railway was the first Indian mountain railway system to be included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Question number 10. Who was the first woman Chief Justice of High Court in India? Leela Seth. Leela Seth was the first woman Chief Justice of High Court in India. Leela Seth. Question number 11. Who was the first Indian president to fly a Sukhoi 30 fighter aircraft? APJ Abdul Kalam was the first Indian president to fly in Sukhoi 30 fighter aircraft. Question number 12. Who was the India's first man in space? Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian man in space. The great martyrs of India. The great leaders of revolts in year 1857. Indians were ruled by the British who treated them very badly. The Indians stood in the revolts against them. Some of the showing the courage to fight against them. Here some name which was the great leader of revolt 1857. The first. One of the bravest leader of revolt, she was killed in the battle field fighting, died in June 1858. The name of this great personality, Maharani Lakshmi Bai. Maharani Lakshmi Bai. Question second. Adopted son of the Bajirao II, the last Peshwa, he refused to surrender and escaped to Nepal in 1859. The name is Nana Sahib. Nana Sahib. Question number third. He was the most loyal general of Nana Sahib. He escaped into the jungle of Central Asia. He was caught and surrendered to death in 1859. The name of this, Tatya Tope. Tatya Tope, loyal general of Nana Sahib. Question number fourth. She led the revolt at Lucknow. She was compelled to hide in Nepal after the capture of Lucknow by Campbell. The name of this great martyrs of India, Begum Hazrat Mahal. Question number 5. He was an Indian sepoy who refused to use the cottage and measures with cow and pig fat. He was arrested and hanged. The name of this great personality, Mangal Pandey. Question number 6. He was the last Mughal emperor. He was arrested and exiled to Rangoon, where he died in 1862. Died in 1862, Bahadur Shah Zafar II. Here in this slides, what my India had given to the world. In this page we will discuss about what my India had given to the world. Contribution of India. My India is a great achiever. It had achieved to so many things before any other country could achieve. The list of India's contribution of the world is very long, but here we have mentioned only few important contributions of India. So first, India invented the science of astronomy quite earlier in the Gupta period. India invented the science of astronomy quite earlier in the Gupta period. Before Gupta period, India invented the science of astronomy. Second, yoga and its kinds were first practiced in India only. Yoga started in India. Third, the first university of the world was built in Tajsila in India. The first university of the world, Tajsila, Bihar in India. Question number 4. The invention of zero was a big asset to the Indian mathematics. The place value, the modern decimal system as well as the algebraic systems all started here first of all. Means invention of zero means by Indian mathematician. Fifth, Vedas, the basics of human life and the divine truth were first compiled by Maharshi Ved Vyas in India. Hence, Vedas are the basic human life and the divine truth were first compiled by Maharshi Ved Vyas in India. Question number 6. Chemistry was also highly advanced in India. The use of chemical principle is dyeing cloth and refining of iron ore started here first, means in India. Question number 7. India was the only source of gems like diamonds till 1896. Means before 1896, India was the only source of gems like diamond and no any other country. Question number 8. Plants, herbs, metals used in Ayurveda to treat various illnesses is the greatest contribution of India to the world. Means plant, herbs and metals used in Ayurveda. First used to treat various illnesses, the greatest contribution of India to the world. So all these things, there are so many things given by India, but here discuss about some important point. Hopefully you understand revolts of 1857 and the first in the world and India and what given India to the world. Each and every students write on your copy and learn it. Thank you.